Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 62. So this is the question. This is also kind of an easy question from tree. Sorry for the background disturbance. So on the left hand side you can read the question and on the right hand side you can read the solution. What you need to do in this question is you need to traverse the tree and there's like three parameters: left, right value and next parameter. You just need to point this next parameter to the very right node of like this. Okay, so decent time complexity and very less space complexity, and I already tell you the reason in the previous video why this space complexity is getting very bad. So yeah, thank you for watching the videos and I will post more videos.